We've got redback extractors going to a high flow cat, 2.5 inch pipe the whole way to a high flow muffler, and then out the back. So that's a full exhaust system, and it sounds pretty good. So anyway, that's the Jackaroo. Just more upgrades, because this thing's my baby now. So these are our pipe. Where's our pipe here? So it's 2.5 inch pipe. That's my cat there, a little high flow cat. As you can see, it's not very big compared to the original, which is good. Got a little flexi bend just there, because these are our headers at the top here. By headers I mean extractors as well. They're redback extractors. They have to come around and meet together there because it's only a single cat in these. And then we've got 2.5 inch pipe to a high flow muffler. It's a decent size, still not as big a muffler as the original was at the back, and high flow, so it doesn't make it as quiet. And we got it going up there, as we can see. And then I'll get up off the floor. You see it come round through the back here, under there, and then come out to our big black fucking tip at the end, which I think is like a 4-inch opening at the end of that, hanging out the back, looking fat. So anyway, there's a little look underneath, and we'll pop the bonnet now, have a look at the headers. I have actually not looked at the headers myself either. I only had this done 2 days ago. When it was finished, it was night time, and I've been working since. So let's pop her up, have a little look. Yep, they look like headers.